Hello, you guys. Welcome to my eating show. Yes, well, today I'm over here at Ihop waiting on my food. I'm late eating breakfast. Oh, it is right here, huh? Okay, let's see what I got here. Oh, let me see. There's a fork and I have to actually put a sugar-free syrup. These are sugar-free. I can't have that. Wait, you think, she only brought me pancakes. Oh, no, What the heck? You know, you gonna charge me for this? I ordered the 2x2. Maybe it's in the bottom. Let me see. I gotta make sure I got everything. 2x2. Oh, well. Oh, okay. So I got the pancakes. See the pancakes right here. Now you can see it better. See? Pancakes, how they look. There's all this white stuff in there with my food.
Here you are.
Okay.
If you could please sign the top copy, bottom copy is yours.
All right. Could you tell me what is all this white stuff in this dish?
Oh, that's just probably the yolk from the eggs.
Oh, okay. I don't want to be getting sick. Okay. So this is the 2x2?
Yeah.
This side right here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much.
Oh, do you have sugar-free syrup?
We do. Let me go ahead and grab some, okay?
Thank you. Appreciate it. Okay, I gotta have the sugar-free syrup, you guys. I'm picky, huh? Yeah, I am. I'm very picky. Just sit that there. Yeah, so yeah, I'm like eating my breakfast, and I'm hungry too. Could have cooked at home, but I didn't want to. I wish I could get it situated here. Okay, so I'm gonna do something. See, we got the bacon and eggs. Maybe I'll eat this first, because eggs don't taste good when it's cold, y'all. Nah. So. Yeah. Okay. Ooh. Sun is out, but it's a little breeze. I'm feeling the breeze over here. Mmm. 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 I love bacon. Mmm. Mmm. My favorite thing is pancakes, y'all. Mmm. Mmm. This is good. Mmm. Mm-hmm. I love bacon. I haven't done a breakfast mukbang. Wow. A very long time. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm drinking my water too. Mm-hmm. Yeah, this IHOP is over in the mall. The mall's crossed that way over there. Yeah, this is convenient because it's right around the corner from it. Yeah, I live down the street, y'all. Don't have to burn much gas for nothing. Mmm. His bacon is kind of good. Mmm. 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 Is she gonna bring me my syrup or what? I ain't be timing her, y'all. Mmm. Mm-hmm. He looked, but he kept moving. Mmm. I don't want to have to get out the car. Mmm. Well, that bacon was good. Okay. Oh, okay. Huh? Thank you. Okay. Put me on hold, y'all. What a girl gonna do? I wanna eat. You don't have no dry pancake. I'm gonna put a little syrup on it. Oh. Yeah, they got these tents and stuff. But I don't know. I look around, nobody got a mask. I'm like, everybody, well, they can't have a mask while they're eating, but we're just too many people in there. Yeah, it's just too many people, and I don't think they dining in neither. Well, people coming out, maybe they was dining in, or they were just going in there to the bathroom. Yeah. Wow. It's a lot. This place is crowded. People coming up here eat. They got what, about 4 tents and stuff? Yeah. Mm-hmm. You got the 4 tents. Mm. Ooh. Man. I know my eggs done got kind of cold. Hey, it looks like they done dried up. I can't eat too much. Yeah, they done got cold. So, then got these pancakes here waiting for the syrup. Drink me some water. Ooh, the water cold. Ugh. Mmm. Well, maybe pancakes. Oh, here come my syrup, y'all. Here it comes. How many pancakes? Oh, there's 2 pancakes.
Here you are.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, of course.
Oh, can I ask you a question?
Yes.
Do they dine in here?
Yes, we are. It's a limited capacity, so we only have 8 tables open at the moment, sir.
Oh, so I know next time. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, of course.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Well, at least she gave me more than one. I got like 3. And they put it in this little thing right here. And it's going to be light too. Ooh, ooh. Well, yeah. And this is the type of syrup that's going to dry up quick. I got the sugar-free syrup by Aunt Jemima. And it's thick and it don't dry up quick. Not like this. See that other one. So, yeah. Mm-hmm. Huh. Didn't I just pour that syrup on there? It dried up already, y'all. Yeah, and I had poured 2. I poured 2. You're almost light. You wasn't playing when they said light, huh? Ah. Okay. Mmm. This is making me more hungry though. You're making me more hungry. Well, at least the pancakes is nice and soft. Dry pancakes. I have one more. Let's see how that worked though. That didn't last too long. Next time I had to bring my own syrup. You know what I'm saying? Okay, what I'm gonna do after this? I'm gonna go to the grocery store. Then I'll go buy me some. I got eggs, but I don't have any sausage. That's why I came out. I didn't have no sauce, no breakfast meat, so I had to come out. I'm cooking my own breakfast tomorrow. Because I'm used to having me some grits and some sausage, okay? Oh, yeah, and hash browns. I could have just had hash browns and eggs this morning with some toast, but I'm not. Taste for pancakes, y'all. So, yeah. Mmm. Gotta go to the grocery store. Oh, that water gonna go. Because it's hot. The sun is getting hotter and hotter. It's supposed to be like 7 degrees cooler than yesterday, but no. You got a little breeze, but it's getting hot, y'all. Yeah, it's getting hot out here. Me and my dry pancakes. Okay? It's soft, but... Mmm. This video went quick. Yeah, they have you park in the reserved parking where it say curbside service and online orders only. Curbside service meaning if you come up and order and do it in your car. That's cool. But I was going to go up under the tent and I seen all them people. I'm like, oh, coronavirus. Oh no. So, I don't know. I got scared all of a sudden. I'm like, oh my God, so many people. And the stuff do travel. So I'm like, can't do it. I tried. But at least on the inside they spaced it out. But very close together. I think I went in shock. Yeah, I think I went in shock. I'm like, oh, I'm not ready for this, y'all. I'm barely ready for the pickup, order and pickup, but that's just too much too soon. baby steps, baby steps. So, and they talking about opening up dining area all over, you know, but they don't know. People are paranoid. Yeah, so, mm. All right, well, that's it for me, y'all, because food got cold and I'm tripping. Might have to go somewhere else. I started to go over to Carl Jr.'s because Carl Jr.'s, they got this big old breakfast sandwich. They call it monster breakfast or something with the bacon and the sausage. Yeah, and the hash browns and onion rings, everything, with your cheese too. So yeah, man. So where are people going? I thought they was going in there. Or they going in the mall? I'm just nosy, y'all. Just trying to see what people doing. Ooh, let's see. I got up around 10 o'clock. Hungry. Stomach be growling since wake up. I'm like, oh God. I'm like, I still got a good report on my diabetes. The numbers, they're getting better. Yeah, my blood sugar's at 159 right now. So I know yesterday it was like at 126. No, that was last night. Yeah, before I ate dinner, my blood sugar was at 126. I guess it depends on what you eat. And I'm so exhausted, I don't feel like exercising, but I got to do that exercise today. After my tummy rest, I'll probably do my exercise. So, okay. Let me clean my mess up right here, because I'll be making a mess, y'all. Y'all know it. I ain't looking at that bag. They had put stuff in the bag over there. I don't know what's in